Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm announcing the new challenge for August 2023. I want to take a minute to thank everyone that has been entering my challenges. I have been so inspired by all of the projects that everyone has been submitting, and I appreciate your support so much. This month's theme, you're going to have two options. For August 2023, the challenge will be Disney, Believe in the Magic, or Back to School. I'm going to quickly go over the rules, and then I'll show you the project that I made for this month's challenge, as well as the prize and the new Dewdrop release. Each month I'll post a theme and show a project that I made using that theme and showcase a new color set of dewdrops. You do not have to mail in your project, and you do not have to use dewdrops. To enter, please do a VR showing your project using the theme of the month. Tag me at DoubleClickConnect and use the hashtag DoubleClickConnectChallenge. Please leave a comment and be a subscriber. The challenge is open all month long until the next challenge, and you can enter as often as you would like. The prize will be a bag of dewdrops, and I will draw a winner each month. For the month of August, if you enter, you have a chance to win this set of dewdrops. This is not sponsored. You must be 18 years or older, and the prize is for US only. However, anyone can enter. If you do not post on YouTube, you can follow and tag me on Instagram. This is a great way to use your stash. You can submit any project with the theme, and if you search my hashtag DoubleClickConnectChallenge, you can see what other crafty friends are creating. We also have a guest designer this month. Christine over at Christine's Cards and Things will be our guest designer for this month's challenge. Her channel will be linked down below. Please be sure to stop by her channel and give her a visit. Let's get on to this month's Dewdrop release. This month, the release is Believe in the Magic or Back to School. The color palette that I chose, I feel like works with both Disney and Back to School. I was tossed up on this bluish color after going through my supplies and looking at a lot of pads that are Disney related. A lot of them seem to have this lighter blue, and I also pulled this stash that also had the blue. I was tossed up between blue and green, and I ended up going with this pale blue. It also would match the Cinderella colors. And of course, Back to School, these are the normal Back to School colors. For your entries for Back to School, it doesn't have to be something school related. It could be a pencil, a book, an apple, a backpack, anything that is even remotely related to school will be acceptable. You can submit a project for Disney, Believe in the Magic, or Back to School. Let me show you the project that I created for this month's release. This is the card right here. I think it's so super fun. I used the Mickey and Friends Cricut cartridge to cut out the Mickey head, and I used the Snap Simple Stories for the background paper, and here are the dewdrops from the collection. That is it for this August 2023 challenge, Disney's Believe in the Magic or Back to School. These dewdrops are currently listed in my Etsy shop. For $5 for the set, you get 25 of each color. The shipping is free. They are currently listed in my shop, which is linked down below. I also will be doing a VR, and that is for Leanna at It's a Deal. She is hosting a birthday challenge giveaway. She is requesting one handmade card. Her challenge goes until August 31st, 2023. This is the card that I am sending her way. I did stamp on the inside, hope your birthday is awesome. I have a little Mickey head punch that I use to stick those little heads on there. This is the card that I'm sending her. This is the envelope for it. I also made her a card base without it being put together so she can choose which side of the card she wants. I made a spare Mickey head as well as the banner. If she wanted to send a different sentiment, she can. She'll have all the pieces that she needs to make that. So that is my entry for Leanna at It's a Deal. She also will be linked down below. I hope you will all consider joining in this month's challenge of Disney's Believe in the Magic or Back to School. Please also stop by our guest designer Christine's channel, who will also be linked down below. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.